In this video, I'll show you a couple of ways that you can change key signature in Logic Pro for iPad. When you create a new project, the key signature defaults to C major unless you choose a different key signature when setting things up. If you just want to change the key signature for your entire project and don't plan on making any adjustments to it, tap on the signature section in the display at the top of the screen and adjust it there. Note that changing the key signature will also change any chords you've specified using the chord track. Any MIDI tracks will also change to match the new key signature that you select here. That is, unless you've chosen to freeze them, in which case the frozen track will not change key along with the rest of the project. You can view, add, and edit key signatures mid-project in the key signature track. Note that the initial key signature affects the playback of Apple loops in your project. Creating a key change mid-project in Logic Pro works almost identically to how changing time signatures work, for example. Move the playhead to the desired position that you want your change to occur, select key signature from the global tracks menu, and then hit the plus button. In the menu that pops up, select your key and whether it's major or minor. You can edit any key signature changes by double tapping on the key signature section and selecting either edit or delete to remove it. Let me know if you use any of these methods to work with key signatures in your own projects down below. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and to find out more about Apple's best stock plugin ever, watch this video next.